Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can tell whether we are using OEM key or a retail license key on our Windows 11 computer. So that being said, let's get started. Before that, let me tell you the difference between OEM key and the retail key. OEM key stands for Original Manufacturer Equipment Key. These keys are used by companies that build Windows computers, whereas you have to buy the retail key from Microsoft itself. OEM key cannot be moved from one PC to another PC, whereas you can move retail key from one computer to another computer. So if you want to know more about OEM key and retail key, we have a detailed article. You can check the article, so I'll provide the link in the description box. Now let us discuss how we can find out whether we are using OEM key or a retail key. For that, you have to open command prompt. So here on the search option, simply search for CMD and run it as administrator. So here we have our command prompt. Here we have to run one simple command, that is slmgr //dli, then hit enter. And here you will find a Windows script host window, and here you can see your Windows version and the Windows license channel. So here you can see I'm using Windows Professional Edition and my license type is retail. If you are using OEM key, then here you will find OEM channel. So that's it. This is how you can tell whether you are using retail key or OEM key on your Windows computer. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.